Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do, we're going to use a little bit of regex to check if a word exists in a string. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a string called my scalar sentence. Let's just increase that a little bit. Okay, so we're going to assign it here. So this is a random sentence. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a subroutine. I'm just going to call it word. I'm just going to simply call it word. Okay. So I'm going to print a message to the user telling the user what to do. So enter word from the string. The user will enter a word from the string into there. I'm going to get the input by using chomp, and that's going to be actually I just changed that to word string. So I'm going to create my scalar word here. I'm going to assign it to standard input. Right, that will get the input, so the user will enter in the word. Now we're going to use a conditional to evaluate this, so we use the if statement here. If the scalar sentence we're going to use the match here. So this is the matching operator, and we've got to do a regex here. So we're going to do this, and B, then Q, then scalar word, capital E, B, and forward slash to get out of it. So this is the regex to check for the word in the string. So we're going to get the word length first, I think. Let's do the word length. So create a scalar variable called word length. I'm going to assign that to length and scalar word. And we're going to print forward slash and scalar word here. And we're going to tell the user the length of the word as well. Word length, and then we've got characters long and a new line there. So what we're going to do is we're going to check to see if this word is in the string, and then we're also going to get the length of the word in characters, and we're going to print that out as well. Else, if the word isn't in the string, we're going to have to use the else statement here, like a catch-all, and we'll just print out some kind of generic error message. So we're just going to print here, print, say word not found, and a new line character there. Okay, all we have to do now is run the program. So we have to call the function, or the subroutine as it's called in Perl. So we call it by its name, which is word string. So let's just save that. Let's run it. Okay, so enter a word from the string. Let's have a look. Random is in there, so I'm going to enter random. So let's have a look. Okay, so random is there, and it's 6 characters long. Okay, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to enter a word that isn't in there. Car. Hit enter, word not found. So there you go, everybody. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that. And remember, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.